what are backlinks and how to build them. What are backlinks? These are links that point to your website from other websites or web pages on the internet. Why are backlinks important? Backlinks and link building are essentially votes for your website from other websites. This content is valuable, credible, and useful. Each of these votes informs search engines. The higher your site ranks in Google and other search engines, the more of these votes you have. What types of backlinks are valuable? Backlinks can take numerous shapes, just as different people and businesses have diverse needs. As a result, what works for one website may or may not work for another. That's why it's critical to know the differences between the three types of links: dofollow, nofollow, and editorial or naturally occurring. Each class has a unique manner of assisting your website in ranking higher. They come from trusted, authoritative websites. Google, it turns out, feels the same way. The term domain authority is used to describe this concept. In other words, the more authority a site has, the more source it may transmit to yours via a link, is an exceptionally authoritative domain, according to RS. They include your target keyword in the link's anchor text. Anchor text is the visible text portion of a link, in case you forgot. In general, you want anchor text that incorporates your target term in your links. Google Penguin penalizes websites that employ black hat link building tactics, and it concentrates on sites that engage exact match anchor text to build backlinks. The site and page linking to you is topically related to your site. Search engine rankings will be harmed if you use a high-quality backlink from a non-related site. For example, Google wants to verify that you're providing helpful material on the same subject as the website that's connecting to you. When one website links to another, Google looks to check if the two sites are connected. The link is a do-follow link. The great majority of links on the internet are do-follow links, which is a good thing. The majority of links with the no-follow tag aren't precious to begin with. For example, no-follow links from these sources are standard. Comments on a blog, publications, and advertisements that are paid for. The link is from a domain that hasn't linked to you before. Links from the same website, it turns out, have diminishing returns. Another way to say it is, getting 100 links from 100 distinct websites is usually preferable to 1,000 links from the same domain. Best practices. You need something worth linking to on your website if you want others to link to it, also referred to as linkable assets. Your linkable asset will always be a fantastic piece of content, which is why search engine optimization and content marketing are so closely tied together. Create a linkable assets. What does it mean to have a linkable asset? Anything that individuals would wish to share with others, for example. A blog entry, an information graphic, a video presentation is available computer software with an API, an electronic book, and a piece of information. External links matter, so following a link building strategy can help you in creating linkable assets and good quality links, but without proper help or guidance, it can end up as a broken link building. Read more in our blog.